Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an antonym quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the antonym of accept? The correct option is D. Refuse. Question 2. What is the antonym of abundant? The correct option is C. Rare. Question 3. What is the antonym of arrival? The correct option is A. Departure. Question 4. What is the antonym of artificial? The correct option is B. Natural. Question 5. What is the antonym of brave? The correct option is D. Fearful. Question 6. What is the antonym of build? The correct option is C. Demolish. Question 7. What is the antonym of careful? The correct option is A. Reckless. Question 8. What is the antonym of complex? The correct option is B. Easy. Question 9. What is the antonym of create? The correct option is D. Destroy. Question 10. What is the antonym of deny? The correct option is C. Admit. Question 11. What is the antonym of despair? The correct option is A. Hope. Question 12. What is the antonym of diligent? The correct option is B. Lazy. Question 13. What is the antonym of expand? The correct option is D. Contract. Question 14. What is the antonym of frequent? The correct option is C. Rare. Question 15. What is the antonym of gain? The correct option is A. Lose. Question 16. What is the antonym of include? The correct option is B. Omit. Question 17. What is the antonym of intentional? The correct option is D. Accidental. Question 18. What is the antonym of liberty? The correct option is C. Captivity. Question 19. What is the antonym of mature? The correct option is A. Immature. Question 20. What is the antonym of optimistic? The correct option is B. Pessimistic. Question 21. What is the antonym of permanent? The correct option is D. Temporary. Question 22. What is the antonym of precise? The correct option is C. Vague. Question 23. What is the antonym of prosperity? The correct option is A. Poverty. Question 24. What is the antonym of superior? The correct option is B. Inferior. Question 25. What is the antonym of transparent? The correct option is D. Opaque. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.